Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another new video. Today we are talking about the contactor. As my previous video, lot of people request to make another video on contactor and then with this MCB and then put any load or light so we know how it work. So I will show you the simple and easiest way the connection of this magnetic contactor, how you can give the supply to this one, and then what is the purpose of use this contactor, all everything you can get in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's connect our magnetic contactor. So first of all, we have to give the supply to on this contactor. If we give the supply, for the supply incoming on the coil, this one is the A1 A2 for the, as you can see here, the written 220 volt. So this magnetic contactor is supporting the 220 volt electric, and then here the 4 points, you give any supply, even 3-phase, even any supply you want to bypass from here using this magnetic contactor. Automatically you use this contactor, even you give here 3-phase, even you give the lines, even you give the DC volt, but most important thing is this one to on the coil is must be 220. Then other supply, whatever you want to use here, even your load or whatever, you can simply use. So I will do the connection first, and then after that I will identify the connections. Now let's understand the connection. So this one is the main incoming to MCB. MCB output one phase I take and then give to A1 point. As you can see, A1 point I give, and then take one bypass to using this coil, because even you give any other supply you can use, but I am now temporarily using for the demonstration. So on this slide I take phase from the here giving the by supply, and then this one is the neutral output from MCB directly go to the A2. As you can see, A2. After that you can see I take the output from the A2, that is the bypass neutral. This one automatically bypass A2, normally two connections, so you can get the simply output from the A2. And then after that this magnetic contactor output I take from here, because I gave supply here, must be I take from here. Any phase you want to give, you have to take from here. Any connection you give here input, this one is output. So this one is the simple connection. Any supply you give here, you get here output. When the magnetic contact on, this one go inside to give the contacts this bypass. So we on and then see how. Now for example, we give the supply to this contactor. As you can see, when we give the supply, this magnetic contact go inside. If I off, you see it will come out. See, if I on, it will come out. Off, this one go inside. You see, so it works like that. You can use this contactor for the 3-phase motor, or using for the timer connections, or giving the supply automatic to use this 4 input to give output. That is usage of the magnetic contact. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.